The Peterbilt Motors Company factory in Denton, Texas stands as a testament to American manufacturing, producing thousands of trucks annually.
All right, set it down. Alignment's good, we are clear.
Make sure this connection point is secure before we move it down the line.
Okay.
I'm checking the disc brake assembly now with the tool.
Watch the alignment on the right side.
Holding steady. Clearance looks good.
All right, bring her down easy. A little to the right. Hold it there, watch the gap.
Secure the connection point.
What do you think of the new chassis?
It's perfect. We did a great job.
This display here shows your real-time fuel efficiency and engine diagnostics.
Okay, got it.
Look at this chrome bumper. She's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it really shines up nice in this sun, doesn't it? Here are the keys to your new truck. Thank you. Pleasure doing business with you.
We don't just build trucks, we handcraft legacies. And when it's ready, we hand the keys directly to the customer.